Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
We are fine, sir.
Very good. So today our topic is
Money.
very good. So we will know about money.
What is money?
What is money? Do you know what is money?
Sir,
Yes.
money used to buy goods and services.
Very good. Do you know what was the earlier system when there were no money?
Sir, commodity money.
Very good.
Sir, commodity money.
Okay. So when there was no money at that time, there were barter system, right?
Yes, sir.
People exchange goods according to their needs, and then by the time what invented? Money. Yes. And in the beginning there were gold coins, right now?
Yes, sir.
That was very heavy. If someone want to purchase things, they have to pay, right now? We need money to pay to purchase anything.
Yes, sir.
So gold coins were very heavy to carry out, right? So that is why we need paper money, and then paper money was invented. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You can see money. It's a medium of exchange. We use money to buy things, and we use money to pay for goods and services. Do you know in India we use
Indian national rupee.
very good INR. Every country has their own currency, right?
Yes, sir.
Then, do you know what is the symbol of rupee?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you draw? Come. Draw. What is the symbol of money? Rupee. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is the symbol of rupee. Do you know who invented the symbol of rupee?
Sir,
Yes.
Dr. Uday Kumar.
Okay. D. Uday Kumar. So the symbol of rupee was officially adopted by Government of India on July 15, 2010. And how do you know how the symbol of rupee was designed? Who designed this? Ramalingam. Yes. A national level competition was held by the Government of India, and D. Uday Kumar Ramalingam won the competition. And after that, from that time, we are using this symbol as symbol of rupee. So this is the symbol of rupee. Next, money are of different forms. Right now, we have money in the form of currency, in the form of coins, and nowadays digital money. Okay, so you can see there are different currencies, different Indian currencies, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So currencies of different countries. So tell me, what is the name of currency?
Euro.
Do you know which country has euro?
Yes.
Yes.
Some countries in Europe has euro like Germany.
Very good. Dollar? America. Rupees?
India.
Very good. Everyone knows this. Pound? Yes. Dinar?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Swiss?
France.
And rand?
South
South Africa. These are the foreign currencies. These are the world currencies. Different countries uses different currency, their own currency, and the picture on their currency is also different, right? In Indian currency, you will find the portrait of. Very good. So similarly, in portrait of Nelson Mandela. He was
The black president.
the first black president of South Africa. Okay, and he is equivalent to the Mahatma Gandhi. He is called the father of the nation in his country, that means South Africa. Next, so let us do an activity. Let us identify the currency. Do you know which currency is this? Which currency? 5 rupees. Then this one. This one. Then. Very good. You all are aware about the Indian currencies, right? Now? Because you all are using in your daily life, right? Very good. And most of you get pocket money from your parents. So that is why you are aware about these currencies, right? These are Indian coins, and I think you also are aware of these Indian coins. Okay, so tell me, who has seen this Indian coin? 1 rupee coin. This is the
Yes, sir.
All you see?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nowadays, yes, many new currencies are introduced by Government of India, right now RBI, and we are now using new coins and currencies, but still we are using old coins and currencies also, right? Can you tell me, in earlier time, we had a currency of 1000 rupees. So, do we use these days? 1000 rupees currency are not in use. Right? Yes, they are not in use. 2000 rupees currency, they are also not in use. We are only using till 500 rupees, right now? Okay. So now we have a mini mall activity where you will purchase. Everyone go to mall now for purchasing goods and things, right? So let us experience some mall activity. So there will be a shopkeeper, and you will experience how you go to mall and purchase goods, right? So shopkeeper will take their seat. Now, so some customers will visit to the shop, to the mall, and purchase some goods. Very good.
I need a water. It is 160 rupees. I have 300 rupees. You will exchange, sir. Let's see, 40 rupees. Take it. Thanks. Then this is the water. Take your bills. Good morning. What is the cost of this restaurant? It is 100 rupees. You can take your bills. Right there.
So you have experienced what? How money is useful in your daily life, right?
Yes,
How we
sir.
use our money wisely, right? Always utilize your money wisely, right? Saving is very necessary. So tell me, from this we also learn calculation. Right now, in daily life, no one can make us fool. Right now, so you must aware about the calculation. How much you will receive? है ना? Very good. So similarly, do you know there are other units of rupee also? Very good. What is the other unit of rupee? Paise. Very good. Paise. Do you know 1 rupee equal to how many paise? 100 paise. So in the same way, we can calculate, we can convert rupee into paise. Okay, tell me, if 1 rupee is equal to how many means 100 paise, then 2 rupee will be. Okay. So can you tell me paise are still used? No. Paise nowadays the paise we are not using paise. In earlier days there were coins of 50 paise, 20 paise, 10 paise, 5 paise, 25 paise, right? So nowadays we are not using these paise, right? But in mathematics, when we go to purchase or buy something, right? We also do purchase online medium, right now. So you have observed that if an item costs 100 rupees, then after taking GST and all, it will cost you around 110 rupee 50 paise. You know, paise are not used nowadays. We are not using paise, right now. But in calculation, paise is charged, right now, and they take what? Paise or their equivalent value, round off value, right now. They take round off value of amount. If the cost is 110 rupee 50 paise, then how much you pay? 111 rupees you have to pay. Right now, in round off, you have to pay what? If there is half of the 50 paise is around 50 paise, more than 50 paise you have to pay for whole 1 rupee. Right? If the cost is 110 rupee 25 paise, then you have to pay only 110 rupee. Right? So in the same way, we have to pay. Paise is still used in calculation, right now. So in the same way, you must know about how to convert rupee into paise. So similarly, 2.5